Hey, welcome back to Tech Jungle. In this video, we're taking a look at the iPhone 12 case lineup from Supcase. Now, this is for the Unicorn Beetle model that they sell. Supcase is on Amazon. They sell really inexpensive cases that are durable, and this is for the iPhone 12 all the way from the mini to the max. As you can see, Supcase sent me in a ton of cases here. I'm not gonna be able to get to all of them. However, if you stay to the end of the video and you leave a like and comment on one of these cases, I will be doing a giveaway here in about a month or so. And maybe if you leave a comment, leave a like, I will go ahead and send you one of these for free. Now, they aren't that expensive. You can find them for pretty much anywhere in between, I would say $12 to $13 all the way up to $20. So definitely not expensive cases, but like I said, if you leave a like, leave a comment, I can send you one out for free because I don't need all these. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of these cases from Supcase. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with some iPhone mini cases. Now this is the Unicorn Beetle Clear. Now Supcase also sent me out some dummy phones to test out with these cases, so let's go ahead and get started. This is the clear case, and you get some stuff in this package here. You get the QR code. Thanks for your support. And then here is the case itself. It's clear. As you can see, you have your cutout for your mute switch, your volume rocker. You have your power button here. You have cutouts for your charging cable, charging connection here, and then your speaker and microphone. And as you can see, it looks like it does have a little bit of a lip here. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off these stickers. Okay, so this is a Unicorn Beetle Pro clear case. It does have a little bit of branding on the bottom here. You have your cutouts for your charging connector, your microphone, and your speaker. You also have the clicky power on button. You also have the volume rocker here. Also clicky, a cutout for your mute switch here. And it's an overall nice design. It shows off the color of your iPhone, and it does have a little bit of a lip on the edges and the corners here. So as Flossie Carter would say, it is Slam Boy certified, and definitely a nice case. I would say that this is probably one of the cases I will be using just because I got the gold iPhone 12 Pro coming in. So definitely excited for the stainless steel finish here, and can show it off. I won't get any fingerprints on the actual phone itself. So yeah, this is overall a nice case. I will be using this when the iPhone 12 Pro comes in the mail. Very nice. And let's go ahead and take a look at another one here. So that was the clear case. Okay, so this is the Unicorn Beetle Exo Pro. Now this one's in black here, and this is also for the iPhone mini. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. You get the same stuff here. Thanks for your support. And let's go ahead and peel this stuff off here. Okay, so with the Exo Pro, what you need to do is you actually need to take off the front part here. So you just peel back, and you're gonna have this part come out. So it's kind of like an OtterBox, just not as big and bulky as an OtterBox case. All right, so this is definitely a nice case. You have the carbon fiber pattern here on the sides, and the way you put this on is you're going to go ahead and put the phone in this piece here, and then you're going to put this whole thing inside of the case. So definitely a nice case here. It's not as thick as an OtterBox case, so you're still getting good protection. You're showing off the back of your phone here with this clear cutout here. You're showing off a little bit of this carbon fiber on the top, on the sides, and on the bottom. You have all the cutouts that you need. You have the power button here, nice and clicky. Volume up and down, nice and clicky, has a little bit of grip to it. And then you have these little cutouts for your camera and your microphone. or your earpiece up top. So definitely a nice case here. It's going to protect the screen, and yeah, I like it. I think this is one that you should take a look at, and it's a nice design, and it does have a lot of protection. So definitely for someone who's maybe out in the field and they're, you know, a construction worker, or you just want to make sure that you have a lot of protection. Maybe you're giving this to your kid and he has some slippery fingers. Definitely a good case to have. I think you're gonna have a lot of protection with this particular case as well. Now, I'm not gonna slam it on this desk, but I think it is one that you can slam, no problem. And it's also works with wireless charging. Now, since it has this little pattern here, I'm not sure if it's gonna work with the MagSafe. As you can see, it does have this pattern here, so I'm not sure if that MagSafe is too big, too wide for this here, for this these little pieces here to allow it to connect. So it's definitely good on a Qi charger. I'm just not sure if it's going to work with the new MagSafe chargers that are coming out. So there you have it. This is the Exo Pro. And again, you just peel this back at the bottom here, and it comes off nice and easy. There you have it. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so this is a Unicorn Beetle in black. So we saw it in clear. Let's go ahead and take a look at it in black as well. So as you can see, it has the black trim here, nice and matte all the way around. And you have this clear window on the back. Really easy to put in. And there you have it, nice and simple. You have all your cutouts. Button is still pretty clicky. You can get to your mute switch. Definitely a nice little case here. And this is the Unicorn Beetle in black for the iPhone mini. All right, so let's take a look at some cases for the regular iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. So here we have, oh. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at some cases for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. So here we have the Vault case here. So let's take a look at this one. You get some stuff here. This tells you what to do. So you can put card in the upper opening, push the bottom of the card is shown to get the card out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. Oh, nice. So here you get a big branding here of Supcase. Military protection is what it says there. Nice, big and bold. You get Supcase at the bottom. You get this carbon fiber accents all around. And you get this nice little weird hexagon pattern here on the inside. Supcase branding. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. There you go. So you get lip protection. Let's see. Yeah, you get a little lip protection on the top and the bottom, so definitely one that you can place on the table face down. All right, so let's go ahead and see if it's good with a credit card. So I'm just gonna put one of my credit cards in here, and there you have it. And the way you get it out is you just push up at the bottom here. So if I push up, credit card comes out, boom, there you go. So I think you're probably fit up to maybe, I would say, maybe 2 or 3 cards max. I mean, this one's pretty tight right here. I would say maybe 2 more cards, or even some folded up cash, and then you just pull it out. So this is definitely a nice one if you don't want to be carrying a wallet around. This is the Vault style case for your iPhone 12. Very nice, very nice. All right, so this is the Unicorn Beetle in red. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. A nice flashy red for your red iPhone. Oops, let's go ahead and take off the inside here. Just peel that inside, peel the outside. And you got yourself a nice case. Definitely flashy. I would say it's on the lighter end of red. It's not super dark, but I think it will go well with the new color, the new iPhone 12 color in red. So definitely a nice Nice case to have. It'll show it off on the back. Now supposedly these cases are really good with keeping scratches at a minimum, especially on these clear backs here. Now only time will tell. I haven't really been using these cases before, so I will definitely report back, maybe in the comments, if I do experience a lot of scratching or even yellowing with this clear plastic. All right, so this is a Unicorn Beetle Pro. So this is gonna offer the best drop protection, overall protection, OtterBox style protection. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here. So you get your typical things for your support sticker, a little bit of foam packaging. Now, if you like using these clip-on style cases, definitely a sturdy clip here. Can you rotate it? Yeah, you can rotate it here. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and open this up here. Tells you how to install it. So you put the frame on first, put it on your phone, and then put your phone in the rubber casing here. So let's go ahead and take this off. Peel off the back here, peel off the front. Put this on, just like that. And then put this in the case just like that. Boom. Just make sure everything is sealed up on the edges. So this case is definitely going to offer the best protection for your new iPhone 12. At the bottom here you see you have the cutout for your charging port that's covered. You have a speaker and your microphone cut out at the bottom. You have your volume rockers right here. You have a cutout that's sealed for your mute switch. On the other side, you have your power button. A little bit of branding on the bottom here. It says Supcase. Nothing at the top. You get a little bit of carbon fiber accent on the back, and then you have your kickstand. So make sure you don't bite your fingernails, folks, and you can pull that back nice and easy. You can put this on the desk and view it in landscape. And not that bad in portrait mode. I think if you're doing your TikTok videos or something, maybe you can have it posted like that. Not too much wobble. And then obviously, for those people who like to really have a lot of protection, and maybe you're a construction worker, I'm gonna have this on your belt. There you go. Big old thick case, but it's gonna offer really good protection for your new phone. So this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. All right, so here's the Unicorn Beetle Pro in this beautiful blue color. Also in this nice candy red color. Very nice. In all black. In violet. And in this nice military green color. Now I don't have the 6.1 version, but this is the max and for the mini, so definitely nice. So that is a Unicorn Beetle Pro lineup. And here are two cases for the Vault series. This is all black. This is for the mini and the 6.1 regular iPhone 12. Okay, so here's the Exo and Exo Pro series. Now the Exo Pro has this screen protector on the front, whereas the regular Exo series does not. So you have this nice teal color here. Here is the aqua blue. So this is the Exo Pro and this is the regular Exo series. As you can see, there's no screen protector on this one here. Still in the Exo series. Here it is in red. And in violet. And in black. And then last but not least, here is the regular Unicorn Beetle. So this is the teal version. Very nice. Here is the violet. Red. And teal. And black. And then finally in clear. So again, this is the Supcase lineup for your iPhone 12 series. Definitely a bunch of cases to choose from. I'm not going to get them all inside of this frame, but this is kind of an idea of what you can expect when you visit the Supcase store on Amazon. Again, the prices range from about $12.99 to about $20. And you get the best protection with the Unicorn Beetle Pro. You get nice slim protection with the Exo Pro or the Unicorn Beetle regular, and everything in between. So definitely a lot of cases to choose from. Comment below and let me know which is your favorite case, which color you like, and at the end of about a month or so, I will go ahead and pick a couple winners and I will ship one of these out to you for free. So again, thanks for watching this video. Thank you to Supcase for providing all of these wonderful cases. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Take care.